Welcome to What We Like. Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can drag an MKV file into Premiere Pro. Normally, when you try to drag an MKV file into Premiere Pro, it doesn't work. See, an error has been reported. Now, how you can go around it is that by simply go to the folder where your file is located and click on View, and from View, click on File Name Extensions. Now go to the MKV file you want to drag into Premiere Pro and rename it. Change the MKV into AVI and click on Yes, and then simply drag this into the Premiere Pro. Great. Now you can even drag into your timeline. Great. Now as you can see, it's working fine now. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.